doing? Look how crazy she looks right now. She looks like a cop dog.
Hello, check out one.
Oh, hello. I'm Rebecca. I wish I could see this right now. I have no bangs.
I have no face.
Oh, the reason for the sequel. God, this is so slow. Do you see how slow this is behind?
Because it's wide outside.
What? No, I was talking about. Look how slow my reactions are. You see how far behind that is? This is so crazy. Anyways, the reason for the sequel at this time is because this background, our background is white, and before it was like super green. So it's like, yeah. Look at my hair. That's a mess. Wait, look at my hair, man. People have never seen me without bangs. I never go without bangs. And now I look nasty and have my sweatpants stuck inside my socks. I haven't even noticed he's been out here the whole time.
Kicking you in the face. This is worthless already.
Is it? How is it non-worthless before? What's so old, baby?
What?
What the fuck are you doing?
Cigarette.
What? Why? No! Put it down!
Why not a cigarette?
No!
So I can't believe you give it
No! 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 Stop it, Mom! Please don't do this. I feel like I found the mom and I just walked out here right
That's
now.
like
I would
that's
cry!
like when I told my mom I was a virgin, or she, I wasn't a virgin, she cried.
That's so mean. Look at this! I can't stand it! I can't watch it! Take him away! Take him away, man. Can't believe he's doing this.
What?
This is a big moment in my life. I want to shoot you right
I
now.
smoke Newport usually, not this.
What the F, man? I'm so angry.
That's so funny.
No one even knows what's going on. Okay, pause. Summary of what's happening. Jared is smoking
Dude, this line
a cigarette, apparently. He smokes cigarettes now. That's disgusting.
You gotta line up again.
That's so nasty, Jared.
Oh yeah, man.
Is Justin listening to wait, that didn't even make sense. Is Justin listening to music?
Damn, you're toxic, you're toxic.
Oh shit, oh shit! I